Alright guys, so another video on the 2003 Honda Accord, and this will go for multiple year vehicles. We have another code for the IAT, or intake air temperature sensor. It's a p0113. This is the 2003 Honda Accord vtech 2.4 liter. On this car, a lot of cars have it right here. Most of your videos you see, it's going to be right here. Alright, it's a little bit different sensor. That's going to be your mass airflow sensor. This one has the intake air temperature sensor. It's located right here in the ductwork for the air box. Follow it down. Here it is. Okay. On this one, all they done is they took a hose clamp. I'm going to try. And they put it around this piece right here. Now this is your air, your intake air temperature switch. Sorry, I got tongue twisted there. All right, it just pushes down in here. All right, so when you unplug your harness from it, all you do, you find the side with the little spring clip right here. You pull the plug. All right, and then you just you have to work it a little bit. Wiggle it, pull, wiggle it, pull, and it'll finally come out. Now, once you get it so far, if you have like a little bitty pry tool, you can get up underneath it and kind of, pry it out. All right, simple, easy to fix. No tools needed. You can even squeeze that clamp with your fingers, and that will take care of your problem with that. Now, if you get that code, you can change this. And what this does is it does just like it says. It's a intake air temperature, so it reads the temperature of the air and helps with throttle body, and all that stuff works together, to do your right. It helps it have a better idle when it's colder and things of that nature. So again, that's the intake air temperature switch on a 2003 Honda Accord 2.4 liter vtech. It is the p0113 sensor code. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave the comments below. Hope y'all have a blessed day.